To change wallpaper on your JBL Live Beam free charging case, we've got two methods. The first one, you can do this on the charging case. So you will have to just find the lock screen wallpaper, and by clicking on these arrows, you can actually get the different wallpaper. But you can only use the default wallpapers. And if you go into the JBL headphones application on your device, you can go for the smart charging case settings, and here, between all of this lock screen wallpaper, you can even change the time of this for 60 seconds. And by clicking here on the plus, you can take the photo or choose something from the album. And as you can see here, you can find everything. So if I want to get this picture, for example, I can for sure do this. There we go. I can click next, and I can click to upload. And after a few moments, I will have this wallpaper on my JBL Live Beam. As you can see right now, it is uploading data. So it will take around a few moments. Here we can find the remaining time, and then wallpaper will be visible here. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.